In front of me is an Aston Martin Vantage, which from what I understand is a $150,000 car. Maybe a little more now in today's money. I'm behind him in my 95 Firebird track car. The car is decently modified, so I'll throw some specs up on the screen for anybody who's interested. We're also both running in the advanced group, and the track is NJMP Thunderbolt, running with NASA. The Aston takes off during the warm-up lap, whereas I kind of hang back, give it a little more time to get everything up to temp, since my tires, brakes, and oil are pretty cold. So the car's pretty much warmed up by the last couple corners. Here I am moving onto the front straight, and if you look all the way up ahead, you see that tiny little dot at T1? That's the Aston. Now I'm going to try my best to close the gap. Alright, so there you have it. I was on his tail in under 2 laps. You may be wondering how I was able to catch him so quickly in a shitty live axle muscle car, and the answer is kind of complicated. So I'll give you a summary of my thoughts. Point number 1 would be driving. This is the advanced group, but exactly how experienced is the other driver? Is the other driver familiar with this car, or is he still learning it? Maybe it's relatively new to him. Does he know the track as well as I do? And also, is he clipping the curbing as aggressively as I do? Because that's really the fastest way to get around this track. Thought number 2 would be the car itself. So the Aston does make more power than my Firebird at about 500 crank horsepower, but it also weighs a couple hundred pounds more. I also know that I have wider tires on the Firebird than what a stock Vantage comes with, and the tire compound is really a mystery. Is he running something equivalent to an RT660? Maybe he's running something better or worse. I have no idea. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Do me a favor and subscribe, smash the like button, give me a comment if you like stuff like this and want to see more. And I hope this inspires you to bring your shitty live axle muscle car out to the road course and kick some ass. See you guys next time.